This brand is made in China and can be purchased directly through their website or on Amazon. The units feature an adjustable ambient light with 5 stages of brightness, and they are backed by a pretty good guarantee that includes a 30-day return policy. The JF180 model is a desktop purifier with a fabric finish that is available in 3 colors. They have an essential oils diffuser for aromatherapy, a 388 square feet coverage area, and a 100 CFM delivery rate. The JF100 model is a 3-stage purifier with a 3-speed fan that has a 225 square feet coverage with a 59 CFM delivery rate. The JF260 model has a 5-speed fan with a built-in air quality sensor that can control the fan when the unit is in the auto mode. It has a 595 square feet coverage area with a 153 CFM delivery rate, and a quiet 52 decibel noise rating in high speed, which is roughly equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator. The JF999 whole house model has a 4,575 square feet coverage area with a 588 CFM delivery rate, and it can be controlled through a smartphone app as well as with voice commands. The unit's air quality sensor changes the color of a light ring to indicate the current air quality, and it can control the 5-speed fan when the unit is in the auto mode. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.